So you've decided you want to renovate your property, but you're not sure when's the right time to start? Then listen up. Because we can foresee that the market will continue to go down, this means that the price of renovation materials will also increase. Renovation can seem like a lot to handle right now. The good news is that the whole process is broken down into two phases, the construction phase and the design phase. The design phase is almost 80% virtual and includes the concept, 3D, and detailings. This means that it can be done from wherever you are, no matter how urgent your situation is. Depending on whether your project is an apartment or a mega mansion, the entire process takes between 3 to 6 months. So if you've been thinking about this, or if this has been on your bucket list, now's the time to get the ball rolling while things are still open. So just click the link and get on a bonus call with our professionals today, and we'll help guide you by the hand to take your project from A to Z. See you there.